In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. Duplicate transactions can sneak in for a few reasons, like importing from your bank feed and also entering something manually. Cleaning them up keeps your reports accurate and your reconciliations smooth. I'll walk you through the exact path in QuickBooks Online and share a few tips to help you confirm you're deleting the right item. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top right and click the settings icon, the small gear. This opens a menu with your company tools. From here, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all your bank, credit card, and other ledgers live, and it's the best place to review activity at the source. Find the account where you suspect a duplicate exists, often a checking or credit card account. On that row, select View Register. The register shows each transaction line by line, with columns for date, payee, memo, amount, and status. Take a moment to orient yourself to the layout. You can scroll through the list, and if you know a date or amount, use the register's search and sort tools to quickly narrow things down. Now, browse and look for duplicates. A duplicate will usually have the same date, payee, and amount, and may appear one right after the other. Also, glance at the status column. If one entry is already reconciled, marked with an R, and the other is not, that can be a clue, but don't rely on that alone. Compare the details carefully. Check the memo or reference field if it's populated, and think about how the transaction came in. Was it added from the bank feed and also entered as an expense or check? When in doubt, match what you see to your bank statement or your bank's website to confirm which one is the keeper. When you've identified the duplicate you want to remove, click directly on that transaction line to open it. This brings up all the details so you can double check one last time. If anything looks uncertain, take a quick screenshot or jot down the information before you proceed, just in case you need to recreate it. Once you're sure it's a duplicate, click Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm. Approve the deletion and the transaction is removed from the register. Keep in mind, deleting a reconciled transaction can throw off past reconciliations, so be extra cautious if you see an R in the status. If you don't see the delete option, you may need higher permissions or to check with your accountant. Repeat the review for any other suspected duplicates. When you're done, your register should reflect a clean, accurate history for that account. That's it, simple, careful, and effective.